I know you have heard about GPT-4. The powerful new AI assistant is in high demand and capable of solving many simple tasks, like writing emails, articles, blogs, creating images, summarizing long content, and so on. In this video, I'll show a step-by-step guide on how to access GPT-4 for free using your phone. To install the app, head to the Android Play Store or iOS Store to download Microsoft Copilot. Once you download the app, open it and tap Continue to agree to the terms and conditions. When a pop-up asks if you want to allow location access, choose Yes or No based on your preference. On the main screen, slide the button next to Use GPT-4 to the On position. Now, tap the microphone icon at the bottom to use voice commands. When asked, allow the app to record while it is in use. If you prefer typing instead, tap the keyboard icon to type your questions. Or tap the camera icon to take a photo and get answers about the image. To start a new conversation, tap the icon showing a paper with a plus sign in the bottom left corner. If you have found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support us. Additionally, sharing this content will help propagate solutions to other community members experiencing similar challenges.